I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys around the house. My battery died and I really wanted to just get it cleaned, so you can't see like everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you around the house. Just show you what I cleaned up, just talk to you about it, I guess, because that's the best I can do right now. All right, so we're starting off in the living room. This is our junky living room, so it's like an organized mess type of situation because we are working on moving. So this is just my little filing station, and this is my desk where I have my laptop for work and my phone, my computer. That's my personal computer. I didn't clean these windows today because I did that with my daughter just a couple of days ago, so I didn't do it again. You don't see my weeds back there, don't pay attention to that. But I just wiped off my desk and swept underneath, and then over here I just cleaned off the television, just wiped it down with that vinegar window cleaner. So I just did that, wiped off the table. Yeah, there's a piece of paper under there. Do y'all ever do that whenever you're like actually trying to show and you think you're done and then you like see all this random stuff that you didn't notice before? I do need to go ahead and get some like presentable blankets for here. I have this one which I love, and I have this one which I love, which are more spring. I'm not really into pillows, so that's why I don't have pillows. Maybe in the new house I will, but right now, no, I just have the blankets, which I like, and that one's like my favorite. But I want to get some decorative blankets to put in there because that's a Dallas Cowboys and just a brown blanket, and those are like I don't know, winter blankets, I guess. All right, so y'all saw me as I washed the dishes, so they're just drying right now, and then inevitably there's always more dishes. Like it's like washing clothes. So you know how like when you wash clothes and then you think you're done, or there's always like a pile somewhere. So yeah, that's what I just went through. And then this drawer here, I do need to go through and clean this out. And hey, there's, see, deceiving. I thought there was oils in there. All right, and then over here, this is another junk drawer. So this is like really just the real junk drawer. The other one's kind of organized, but this one is not at all. All right, so that rug over there, I need to wash it, but I want to wait a little bit longer for when I wash my floors, when I mop my floors. So I didn't do that. I just picked it up, shook it out, and got the dirt off of it. All right, and then let's come over here. I didn't do the bathroom. I'm gonna do that actually tomorrow, so you'll see that in another video. This is my daughter's room. Nice and clean for the most part, just tidied up basically. And it smells really good back here. This is my boys' room. Their beds, I made their beds up while I was working, like on my first break. I usually just come in here on my first break and make up all their beds for them. But it's nice and clean. Their windows are clean. So, oh, and y'all don't make fun of this. we tried y'all. Okay, so yeah, laundry is semi-done. There's still some clothes in there, but not enough to do another load. So then we're gonna come back over here. I think they're home. And then I cleaned in here, I just vacuumed. I didn't like wipe anything down. And then I shook out this rug. This is our front door. So I shook out this rug. It's my favorite rug. And then I shook out this rug. This one always gets dirty because that's the door we usually come through, like 99% of the time. Okay, and then I did clean up my room, mine and my husband's room, and I just swept. I swept all the floors. This is our room. So I didn't really do too much in here. I didn't clean up the bathroom at all because I'm gonna save that for tomorrow, but I did come over here and just vacuum the floors. So that, and cleaned off this. We are going to refinish this because that's all, as you can see, just worn. But this is my grandmother and grandfather's. So the bed is made now. I just fixed it. So that's my husband's side. But yeah, we're gonna refinish those and paint them a different color. They're either gonna go in our new bedroom or the guest bedroom, but we're not sure. And that's a pile that's been there since we've lived here. And this is our also organized mess. So this is what we're donating to the schools, the kids' schools. So that's that. And then I just wiped off this one too. Once again, it's just worn, but we're gonna fix that one up. And yeah, and then that's a backpack, which really should be over here. So I'll just move it. So this is, oof. All right, so this is the end of this video, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to go have dinner.
Yeah.
About to cook.
Yes.
And then what are we gonna do?
Play.
And play and do matching game.
Yes.
And then what are we gonna do?
Go night.
And then go night-night and get ready for school tomorrow, right?
No.
All right, so this is going to be the end of this. It was a little bit random at the end, but we made it through this video. I'm gonna show you all the boys. They literally just got home, and this is what they're doing.
Hi.
What are you doing? Don't video this.
Why? Alright, y'all, so this is going to be the end of the video. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a good one. Bye.